Fitted sheets. What a pain in the butt, keeping them on the mattress. Anyway, as a solution, we found some kind of suspenders for this fitted sheet. See if we can keep it on the mattress. We've already placed some there. Now, whether or not this is the exact way you do this, I don't know. Not really certain how it connects there, but that's the way I did it. We have another one here to place in here. Got one already there, and the next one has to go to this corner right here. All right, so we're gonna give this a try. I know it seems kind of strange getting suspenders for your fitted sheet, but I think it was even stranger when I tried to use a belt to do this. So I figured suspenders may be better. Anyway, we're gonna give this a try. I figured the best way to do it is try to put the mattress on one side, then flip the mattress over, and then pull the fitted sheet from the other side like this, to get it up on there. And then you put your connections like here. Like I said, now, I'm gonna try to add one more right here in the middle. That would be really cool. Add one more in the middle. Now the thing is, I guess you're supposed to adjust these. You can pull them in tighter or looser or something. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna see if this works. You guys come up with your own ways to do this. Like I said, I would get a third one. Put it right here in the middle. Something like that. Maybe, I don't know. But this may be enough. Anyway, we're gonna test it out. So let's put this back. And hopefully this works out. I don't know. We'll see. We'll let you know after a good sleep. And there you have it. Suspenders, they keep your fitted sheet on. We'll see if they'll work. We'll let you know tomorrow. Can you even see me?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see me. But okay, yeah, we'll let you know tomorrow and stuff. Once again, another project by BKB Fix It. I'm right here. We're going to connect these. Actually, we're supposed to connect these. I really don't know. But what I do, I just take this one, slide it in here, and I just close them up like that.